Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In this video I will show you a very interesting recipe. It is the carrot kesar ice cream. Looking something different for the summer? Then try this. To make the carrot kesar ice cream, I have taken around 400 grams of Delhi carrots. You can also use the normal carrots. In a mixture jar, add the carrots. I have already sliced them so that it would be easy for me to mince them using the pulse mode. Use the pulse mode and mince the carrot. So now the minced carrots are ready. I am going to transfer this to a bowl. Make sure there are no big pieces inside this. If there are any pieces, then just remove them out. Take around 2 tablespoons of warm milk and add around 10 to 15 strands of kesa to it. Stir the milk nicely and keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the color and the flavor of the kesa gets into the milk. Place a pan on the stove and add around 2 teaspoons of ghee to it. Once the ghee is hot, add the minced carrots to the pan. Saute them nicely until the raw smell of the carrots goes off. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes roughly. Once the color changes and the raw smell is gone, add around half a cup of plain white sugar to it. You can also use the brown sugar or the jaggery. It is as per your wish. If you add jaggery, there will be a slight change in the taste of the ice cream. Just mix them all together until the sugar dissolves completely and there is no moisture left in it. When the sugar is completely dissolved, just add the kesar milk to the carrots. Give it a nice mix and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, there is no moisture left in it. At this stage, you can switch off the flame and allow them to cool down completely to the room temperature. Transfer the cooked carrots to a bowl. Now I am going to add a full can of sweet condensed milk. It is about 400 grams. The sweet condensed milk should be chilled before adding them to the carrots. With the help of a spoon, give it a very nice mix. After mixing it nicely, keep it inside the refrigerator. In a bowl, add around 250 ml of the chilled whipping cream. I have already placed them in the refrigerator before using it. With the help of the electric beater, whip it until you get the soft peaks. It is almost 4 to 5 minutes. I am beating the whipping cream at the medium speed and I could see the soft peaks. Yes, and this is the right consistency which I wanted. So when you reach the soft peak stage, stop beating the whipping cream. Take the carrot mixture out of the refrigerator and slowly add it to the whipping cream. Now beat the carrot mixture and the whipping cream all together at a medium speed until everything gets incorporated completely. While beating, just scrape the sides of the bowl then and there so that everything gets mixed up well. I just took around 30 to 40 seconds to beat the carrot and the whipping cream mixture together because we don't want to overbeat them also. So we have completed the major process of making the ice cream. Now all we need to do is refrigerate them. So I am going to transfer the contents to a box. It has come out really well, so soft and fluffy. Freeze it overnight and then enjoy the next day with your family. I have taken this out of the refrigerator after freezing it overnight. Oh wow, just look at this. It is so soft and fluffy and so satisfying to scoop an ice cream like this. The ice cream is really tempting. I'm going to add some roasted almonds and pistachios to it. You can even experiment by adding different flavors to the carrot ice cream like cardamom, cinnamon, whatever you wish. A very yummy carrot kesar ice cream is ready. Do try this recipe this summer and share your comments with me. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Let's spread the love for food.